Today I'm gonna show you how to draw a special character. I'm gonna show you all these different smells of the color.
What are they?
They're cherry, strawberry, orange, pineapple, mango, apple, blueberry, grapes.
Wow, that's a
candy,
lot of color.
Marshmallow, and muffin. But this one is,
What is that?
I don't know.
That's licorice.
Licorice.
Wow, are you gonna use all of that to color?
Yeah.
When you draw? Okay, please show me.
So first we're going to fold this because the character is going to do something.
So you folding it in half? Okay.
Make sure the edge is not too long. It will stop here. Like this.
Uh-huh. And then what else? Oh, what are you doing? Are you folding it in half again? On one edge. Okay. And then what do you do?
I'm going to draw
A vampire? Wow. What's that?
I'm not going to tell you, Daddy.
Hmm? Are you using your imagination for something? Okay. What? What happened? Wow, what's that? Wow, that's awesome. What's that? Monster's hair?
Monster Spike. Monster Spike.
Oh, Monster Spike.
Funny stuff. It's just a trick or treat stuff. And then, that's my monster. The one I already colored.
Oh, what's that?
This is a vampire.
What's that?
This is an ice cream. And this is a unicorn.
Oh, can you open it up a little bit more? I want to see it. Oh, how about this one? Oh, yeah, how about that one? Oh, I love it. Thank you, Helen. You are such a wonderful drawer.
Thank you for watching, guys. Let's start coloring.